Let's go! Another day in the Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting out today is Pokemon Pitch Black. Let's see what we get today, guys. Here's the code. Starting off, Fighting Energy, Antique Skull Fossil, Bronzor, Poltergeist, Charger Bug, Vikavolt, Misty Vitality, Pelifin, Reverse Hollow Trumbeak, Reverse Hollow Skarmory, and a Hollow Silvally. Now onto Gundam Freedom Extension. Chaos Gundam MMA Mode, Cyclone Punch, Presidential Office, Calamity Gundam Raider Gundam, Narrows Gundam, Bolts Gundam, Kara Strike Rouge, Gritty Glue, Gundam Area Rebuild, Troll Barton, Widespread Annihilation. Oh, new Gundam. Nice. Nice. Alright guys, that's it for today's Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, goodbye.